I can't wear this in my hometown, okay? They said लोग देखते हैं and I said देखने दो मैं दिखा रही हूँ. I don't care. While I was watching the episode, I knew it. I'm doomed. I knew it. My phone was just tan 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 ऐसा बजे जा रहा है. I'm getting calls. My parents are calling me. People are texting them. Father's BP dropped and.
Did you ever face casting couch?
I faced casting couch before I entered the industry. 8th standard boy, I think. How do I put it decently? He was touching himself inappropriately in the middle of the road by following me. बेटा ऐसे मत करो, तुम लड़की हो ना, जाने दो. उसको गुस्सा आ गया और चेहरे पे तेजाब फेंक दिया तो?
स्प्लिट्सविला के बाद गालियाँ बहुत पड़ चुकी थी, ट्रोलिंग बहुत हो चुकी थी. डर नहीं लगा बिग बॉस चूज करते समय?
जब मैं घर के अंदर थी तो I was like गया I'm gonna be troll 2.0 guys I'm ready I'm coming.
जब सलमान सर started bashing you or maybe trying to tell you where you were wrong,
you know I think जब वो पूरा incident चल रहा था ना I was not feeling angry. Audience also wants to consume that. Oh a rowdy hero, you know like a rowdy hero and उसकी एक soft सी flower pot girlfriend जिसका only काम है ऐसे बाल झटकाना and दुपट्टा फहराना and looks देना. And then people question कि pay parity क्यों है because you don't have meaty role, you can't pull audience because you don't give meaty role. Hi guys, this is Kashish Kapoor and you're watching me on Midday, and to all the beautiful, gorgeous and amazing women out there, happy Women's Day.
hello and welcome to Midday. This is Shachi Chaturvedi and today in conversation with me is one of the most loved, bold women I know, Kashish Kapoor. Hi Kashish, welcome
Hi.
to Midday. How are you?
Thank you for calling me and I'm pretty good.
पहले तो मुझे ये बताओ, this is Women's Day special. What
Right.
is your definition of a strong woman?
We are a lot influenced by what we see on social media and we think that a strong woman is, you know, ready to take them all, fight them all, doing everything on their own, not needing anybody. That's not my definition of a strong woman. I think mere liye a strong woman is a very simple woman who knows what she wants, follows her heart, asks for help when she needs it, doesn't feel like नहीं मैं किसी आदमी से help मांगूंगी, औरत से help मांगूंगी तो I'm a weaker person. No, you know your shortcomings, you're happy and you're content with it, and you have the freedom of choice, whatever you want to make.
What is your take on feminism, Kashish?
I don't think I have any take on feminism. I think feminism is like a very normal thing to have and believe, and anybody who thinks feminism is anti-men or something is very much a pseudo-feminist. He doesn't really know what feminism stands for. Feminism is not matriarchy. No, the opposite of patriarchy is matriarchy. The opposite of patriarchy is feminism, equality. It simply means that men and women are not the same 100%, but should be treated with equal responsibilities and equal rights. And that's all that feminism means to me.
Your journey in the industry till now have seen a lot of ups and downs already.
Yes.
A lot of trolling from the very first reality show, if I'm not wrong.
I did not care. You know why? I think it's because of my conditioning. I have developed such a strong and thick skin because I think I have the clarity of myself in my head. I know who I am. I know my shortcomings. I know my strength. So if you tell me you have a yellow dress, I hate it, I wouldn't let that bother me because it doesn't matter what you think. I know it's a blue dress and I know I like it. And plus, you know, where I grew up and the kind of person I am in that space, ये मुझे क्या बोलेंगे ऐसी चीज़ जो मैं नहीं सुन चुकी हूँ. I've heard it all, I've dealt with it all ever since I was in 4th standard, 6th standard. I have just become very strong, and because I know who I am and what I stand for, these comments don't bother me.
जैसा कि आप बोल रहे हैं उससे I am just assuming कि when you were like a kid और आप जब एक kind of way dress up करते थे या एक तरीके से बात करते थे, बाहर जाते थे, शायद घर वालों ने भी आपको टोका हो.
Of course, उसमें गलती मेरे घर वालों की नहीं है. They are the nicest people, but you know conditioning. वो भी जिस समाज में रहते हैं. अब मैं अगर I can't wear this in my hometown, okay?
Okay.
So if I remember this one day I came home and somebody told me, okay, आज के बाद से तुम jeans नहीं पहनोगी, start wearing loose pants. And I'm like, why? I was in 7th standard. I'm not even a woman. I'm a little girl. Why? ऐसे ही लोग देखते हैं this that. I wasn't allowed to go मेरे खुद के छत पे. Like मैं रेलिंग के पास नहीं जा सकती. क्यों? क्योंकि लोग देखते हैं. can't be on social media post, क्यों लोग देखते हैं, can't call my male friends, talk to my male friends, go out, be in the market eating street food, क्यों लोग देखते हैं. So काफ़ी
और
restrictions
उसके
थे.
बाद मैडम ने स्प्लिट्सविला और बिग बॉस किया है. हाउ इट वाज ब्रेकिंग दैट बैरियर?
They said लोग देखते हैं, and I said देखने दो, मैं दिखा रही हूँ. I don't care. Just because तुम्हारा एक certain agenda है that you want to keep somebody in a certain box, I don't want to fit in that box. I want to break that glass ceiling. I want to be free, knowing my boundaries, knowing that I have a moral responsibility. I'm very happy to fulfill it, but I will not let somebody else dictate my life.
Coming to trolling, it was not just trolling. It was threats.
Oh, yeah.
A lot of threats. We went through your social media page. We saw a few comments and they were bad.
Yeah.
And it's not about only you looking at those comments, reading those comments, because me as a person might be able to handle whatever is going on. How did your family took it?
You know, even if I say कि मुझे नहीं फर्क पड़ता है, after a point it gets to you. There have been nights, like I still remember that night. I shall call it, you know, Game of Thrones में बोलते हैं the red chapter. I will call that night the black chapter of my life.
Oh my god.
Finale released within, and so while I was watching the episode, I knew it. I'm doomed. I knew it. Within 1 hour, 85,000 comments. I had 672k followers. It became 608k followers, and then what not. My phone was just ton 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 ton. ऐसा बजे जा रहा है. I'm getting calls. My parents are calling me. People are texting them. All of this was happening, and then I'm supposed to go to the क्या बोलते हैं finale party of my show. I was like, I can't face people. You know why it is sad? Because after a time, you have a thick skin because I have dealt with it. But my parents don't know what I have dealt because I don't want them to know.
Yes.
So I don't want them to know my hardships. That'll just hurt them. So I've always been that strong. कुछ नहीं होता, कुछ नहीं होता, कुछ नहीं होता. But this time they were facing it firsthand, and बहुत कुछ होता है. Especially if you're not from this background. Father's BP dropped, and my mom, पापा तो नहीं ही बताएंगे, मम्मी बता रही थी कि पापा सो नहीं पा रहे हैं, उनको लोग ये सब बोल रहे हैं. And that time only the West Bengal case happened.
Oh my
So
god.
now think the plight of my parents. I'm the only daughter living in Mumbai, no contact, no help, whatever. वो सब कुछ हो रहा है. The country is outraged, and half of that outraged population is outraged on me because I chose money for myself. So that was a rather difficult time. But then, you know, I think the only thing that got me through it was I know that judgment is very fickle. People's judgment, their opinion is very fickle. They don't stand by it very strongly. Today they'll hate you, tomorrow they'll love you, then again they'll hate you. It's very fickle. I cannot let that judgment influence or change my life. Had I thought about all of this कि नहीं कितनी गाली मिलेगी और मैंने पैसे नहीं चूज़ किए होते, क्या मैं आज यहाँ होती? ना मैं होती, ना वजूद, ना मेरा career. And today my parents are also happy. So I think it's just a bad time that you have to go through. Can't help it.
आफ्टर दैट स्प्लिट्सविला के बाद गालियाँ बहुत बढ़ चुकी थी, ट्रोलिंग बहुत हो चुकी थी. डर नहीं लगा बिग बॉस चूज करते समय
किस बात का डर?
कि ये सब वापस होगा?
It's already happened. What's the worst? 2.0. I am ready for it. I was like, ठीक है. I mean, you can't help गालियाँ, especially in this industry. It's something that we choose, right? We choose to put ourselves on the platform for public to see and share their opinion. So I cannot be scared of the fact that okay, they will not like me, and we all know that internet is extreme. They like you, they make you their gods. They don't like you, they ruin your peace. But I cannot let that dictate me. Otherwise, तो मैं कोई काम ही नहीं कर पाऊंगी. And plus, Big Boss is a big opportunity, and I knew, you know, deep in my heart that once people know me, they will like me because I know I am a good person. And that's what happened.
बट देन आफ्टर बिग बॉस ना एक स्विच था सोशल मीडिया में, एटलीस्ट ऑन डेज व्हेन यू वर बैश्ड. उन दिनों में सपोर्ट था. तो हाउ डिड यू सी दैट स्विच?
जब मैं घर के अंदर थी तो आई वाज लाइक गया आई एम गोना बी ट्रोल 2.0 गाइस आई एम रेडी आई एम कमिंग. बट यू नो व्हेन आई केम आउट it wasn't like that. वही हुआ जो मुझे अंततः पता था कि होगा, that people will see where I am coming from. Like if I am fighting you, I'm not fighting you because I'm mad or I want to fight you. It's because you have said something, crossed certain lines. And obviously when I was wrong, I was also bashed. But in the bigger picture, people could see that I have a good heart. I am a good person. I am a good person who's done bad things. I'm not a bad person who occasionally does good things. So I think people just understood that.
So if I talk about then again the journey that you had, घर के अंदर बहुत लड़ाइयाँ हुई आपकी, काफ़ी जनों ने आपको बहुत कुछ बोला, एक इंसिडेंट बहुत बड़ा भी हो गया था, आई डोंट वांट टू नेम इट, बट आफ्टर दैट जब सलमान सर स्टार्टेड bashing you or maybe trying to tell you where you were wrong.
I think जब वो पूरा इंसिडेंट चल रहा था ना, आई वॉज नॉट फीलिंग एंग्री, ऑफकोर्स नॉट, क्योंकि उनसे मेरी पर्सनल दुश्मनी नहीं है. ही इज़ नॉट लाइक आई डोंट लाइक कशिश तो मैं उसको पुल डाउन करूँगा. आई थिंक ही सॉ अ सिचुएशन, नॉट the complete situation, bits of it. He was informed about it and he did his duty, his job more than anything else. And he was being objective with me, but क्योंकि वो मुझ पे बीत रही थी, I could not be that objective and I wasn't feeling sad or angry. I was just feeling defeated because in that moment, while I'm being questioned on something as sensitive as this, मेरे दिमाग में बस फ्लैशबैक्स आ रहे थे ऑफ द 10 months, द हॉरर दैट आई हैव लिव्ड, द 10 months ऑफ एक्सट्रीम ब्रूटैलिटी एज you've seen. तो मेरे मन में वही चीज़ चल रही थी कि आई एम गोइंग टू बी सब्जेक्टेड टू दैट अगेन एंड आई कांट लेट दैट हैपन. दैट्स ऑल दैट माई माइंड वॉज टेलिंग मी कि यू कैन नॉट लेट दैट हैपन. माई फाइट और फ्लाइट mode was activated कि nope, if I take this blame, something which I have not done, all the trollers will get another opportunity to say कि see हमने तो कहा था, we've always said she's not this, she's not that, she's a bad evil woman, bash her. So I have to take this chance and I have to cling to it. I will die with my point. If somebody wants to believe it, they'll believe it. If they don't want to believe it, they'll not believe it. But I will not succumb to the fear of looking a certain way, talking a certain way. I will be honest, I will be respectful, but I will stick by my truth. And that is all that I did in that moment.
अभी बहुत टाइम नहीं हुआ है आपको इंडस्ट्री का पार्ट बने हुए, राइट?
Yeah.
एंड आई एम श्योर यू मस्ट बी डूइंग सम अमेजिंग वर्क एंड
Yeah.
I am sure you will talk to us about it soon.
Yes.
But Kashish, if there is one thing that I ask you to change about our industry today for women, will it be?
So many things. One thing that I absolutely despise, but there is nothing I can do, or it's easier said than done. One person is enough, one voice can change. It can't. It cannot. Especially in an industry like this where there's a monopoly, you can't. I mean, what will you say? I don't want to work with you because you're anti this. They'll say fine. We've got 1,000 people who want to work. So one thing that, or amongst many things that infuriate me, is when women are subjected to just flower pot roles where you don't have anything meaty, you have no substance, it's not about you. It's just you have a supporting 2 minutes role, maybe to add glamour, maybe to add a love angle to a male's POV or a male story. And I see this in like so many big banner, big budget movies also, that the hero has a meaty, substantial role. Like there is a character, and the heroine, despite you being the biggest name, given a 10 minutes flower pot role. One can argue कि movie में नहीं था, but one can also argue that writer did not write any role for the woman, because a lot of people in general, audience also wants to consume that. Oh, a rowdy hero, like a rowdy hero and उसकी एक soft सी flower pot girlfriend जिसका only काम है ऐसे बाल झटकाना and दुपट्टा फहराना and looks देना. I think that is a little problematic because then we are telling films have क्या बोलते हैं message, right? So we are telling our people, no, that women are flower pots, cute little roles, and then people question कि pay parity क्यों है, because you don't have meaty role, you can't pull audience because you don't give meaty role, so there is a pay parity. So I think this mindset is something I would like to change.
Being someone who has just entered industry, did you ever face casting couch?
Funny, I faced casting couch before I entered the industry.
Oh.
When I was in Delhi, I was
Okay.
auditioning for a lot of things here and there. Even when I was in Mumbai, there's this very known casting director in South. I obviously will not name names. The South one was not of a casting couch. He told me upfront, listen, you want to work in this movie, you have to do this. And I said, bhai, haath jadwa lo, nahi hone wala hai, I'm not doing that. But the Delhi thing, so the casting guy for a big advertisement, big clothing brand, he called me to this hotel.
But he was really casting for that big clothing brand?
he had a portfolio
अच्छा, okay.
where he did cast for many brands. So he calls me to a hotel, and then I get suspicious the moment somebody mentions a hotel. Like, do it in your office. I'm not stupid. So I question him. I cross question him, and then he's like, no, come to the lobby. We'll talk there. And then I was trying to get in details, and then I told them, where will you do my look test? In the lobby? No. Said no, we'll go to my room, and I was like, haan jodwa lo, ye sab nahi hone wala hai. So that's all. After joining properly, Touchwood, I have a very good manager, so I don't have to deal with all this.
Okay.
She talks to people, Tanvi, and then she gets it done. तो अब ऐसा नहीं हो.
Today ना मतलब every other girl, if not all, has that one incident जहाँ पे उनके साथ कुछ ना कुछ गलत हुआ है, बस के अंदर, ट्रेन के अंदर.
Been there
Ever happened?
so many times. The first incident that I can remember of, I think I was like what 13, 14, 9 standard.
My
I was in
God.
जो हमारे शहर का लोकल मेला होता है ना, डिज्नीलैंड मेला जिसको हम लोग बोलते थे, वहाँ पे it happened. Somebody just touched me inappropriately. He was a man, like 24 years old, I guess, but I was not stupid even then. I screamed. I went to the policeman nearby and I told him that this guy has disturbed me, he's done this.
Wow.
So he was slapped. That was the first incident. I went to a water park once. Big mistake. So many times I was touched inappropriately, but I can't even do anything because it's a water park. I mean, I look back and the person is gone. In Purnia only, there was this boy, 8th standard boy, I think. He was, how do I put it decently? He was touching himself inappropriately in the middle of the road by following me.
Oh my God.
I raised my voice because I am not somebody that will let that slide. What will happen? He'll hurt me. He's anyways hurting me, right? That doesn't mean that I'm stupid and I'll go fight 10 big guys. No, I'll run away. But he was an 8th standard boy. And I wouldn't let kids do that to me or kids do that to themselves. So I raised my voice and there were some uncles in the area. So he had a cycle, I had a scooty. I was like 2-3 things I yelled at him, रुक तुम तुम्हारी गर्मी निकालते हैं. तो I switched on my scooty and I was following him. तो वो भाग गया. And आजू बाजू के uncles, you won't believe what they tell me. Such beautiful piece of advice. They told me, बेटा ऐसे मत करो, तुम लड़की हो ना, जाने दो. उसको गुस्सा आ गया और चेहरे पे तेजाब फेंक दिया तो.
Did they just?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
He was running. They could have caught him if they wanted, but no, they wanted me to not react. क्योंकि लड़का है ना, उसको गुस्सा आ गया, वो कुछ कर दिया तो. So it's so normalized how they even think. Like, why would you even say that? Why not पकड़ो उस लड़के को, ऐसा हिम्मत कैसा हुआ? बोला अरे पकड़ो उस लड़की को, लड़के को गुस्सा आ गया तो. It's happened in Delhi so many times. Cab driver like threatened to do what not to me just because I asked him कि भैया 100 मीटर आगे आके pick up करो. So many times.
Oh my God. This is
this is
a
sad.
never-ending story. Okay, if I ask you one trait of a green flag or a red flag guy, one trait each.
I think it's very obvious. You can pick it out turant. And mainly that is a very big red flag. Insecurity. Boys who are insecure, they will not let you thrive. They will not thrive. They'll guilt trip you when you're happy. They will be abusive. If not today, tomorrow, they're because they are so inefficient, they're insecure, they will be abusive, they will be verbally, physically abusive. Just stay away. Insecurity, biggest red flag. People can't even take jokes on themselves. How will they take your worst moods? So insecurity. And men who are secure in themselves, they are the biggest green flags. You don't have to be 6 feet tall, you don't have to be Hrithik Roshan looking, you don't need to have Ambani Nike bank balance, nothing. You could be absolutely normal corporate guy, 5'7", decent looking, but if you are secure, you're happy, you know that you're not Ambani and you're okay with that, and your girl knows it and you are okay with that, that is the biggest green flag.
Wow. Okay, before we switch to a fun game,
Yeah.
there is one question which is not related to Splitsvilla, not to from Big Boss or Women's Day. It is who sent you those flowers on Valentine's Day? Kashish, did you find out?
Actually, no. I still don't know whoever sent me those flowers.
Sir, ma'am,
But-
whoever you are, please DM.
Yeah, or don't. Like, be my secret admirer. It's okay.
And keep sending
Keep
flowers.
sending. Yeah.
Okay, so now I have a very fun game where you just have to answer.
Yeah.
What's the most sexist remark you have ever received?
Oh, I have received this. So, a man told me, and when I say man, I mean like a really affluent, kind of wealthy also, known also man told me once that, Kashish, you need to be more soft. And I said, what? I said, I also don't want to be fighting all the time. Bring me a good, strong guy, I'll melt. So I said, no, you know what? Strong women, and his statement was, strong women attract weak guys. क्या बोलते हैं? It is sad and insulting to both men and women. And then he says, कि strong, powerful, rich men don't want strong women. They want soft spoken girls. So if you want to attract strong, powerful men, you need to be more soft and let loose.
Baap re.
Yeah.
Have you ever lost out on a project because you refuse to do certain things?
Yes. That was long before Big Boss. There was this guy, very known, very well known. He's actually given girls movies. So now I question all of them. He met with me for an, I don't know, meeting जो भी होता है. We did that. And then he said कि South की ये movie है. मैंने कहा बहुत बढ़िया. आगे बताओ. I was sensing something. So, आगे बताओ. Point पे आते हैं. Then he said देखो Kashish, if you want to do this, I'll be very honest. Yes, I said. The moment somebody said I'll be very honest, I know where you're going. I said, yes, go ahead. Fool me. He said, if you want to do this movie, you have to do XYZ with X person, Y person and Z person. मैंने कहा अच्छा ये भी करते नहीं करते.
Shit. Do you think Bollywood still has a women should look a certain way obsession?
Yes and no. In the vast picture, yes. No, because there are certain movies that are coming जो कि अलग है, but then those movies are always said what critically acclaimed movies.
Oh,
They're
yeah.
not commercial movies.
Yeah.
Commercial movie heroines have to look a certain way.
Yeah.
Soft, girl next door, cute, and the women who are a little different, out of the box. उनकी या तो एक ऐसी market करने वाली movie बनती है कि oh this woman. That's not normalized still. You know what I mean? So yeah, I think
Yeah.
they do.
Have you ever been advised to tone it down?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. If you could call out one double standard in this industry, what would it be?
There are so many, but one would be women don't get pay parity because they don't have meaty roles, and you don't give women meaty roles because you don't want to give them pay parity, and you want to serve a certain narrative. So this is double standards.
What's the one thing about you that makes men in the industry uncomfortable?
That I'm very strong. I'm not naive. I'm very headstrong. You cannot fool me until I want to be fooled, of course. But I don't go for empty words. So I think that.
On that note, that is it from our side. Thank you and keep watching
Thank you.
Midday.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.